Can our team please join us on stage very quickly? Because we believe that these projects that we're inaugurating here today are going to make all the difference. Thank you, Your Highness, for letting us do this, and thank you for being here with us. As I'm sure you're all aware, this is a very South Indian way of doing it. Where I come from in Tamil Nadu, this is called the Ponnadai Pan.
Mungkin sekam, mutangi bu mungdawi, bonusur ya wilayah borak, mungsa samung panatanya hayat. Maikatal Rama Hindi, eba nokkatal pasima He is the Almighty, and invoke His blessings before we embark on any new venture in our lives. May I humbly request our esteemed guests on the dais.
Sir.
आइए चलते हैं अंधकार से उजाले की ओर, पृथ्वी से आकाश की ओर, प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर, एक प्रयास अज्ञान से ज्ञान की ओर. Ya Pak Khoroboy langsung na pagkakas na makabugnaw.
Mr. Vinod will show you where to stand so that we can go on service.
Thank you for taking the time.
Sister, you can tell them where to stand.
Yes, sir. आप उधर देख सकते हैं. कैमरा उधर लगा है. No, आप उधर नहीं देख सकते. Sir, Maharaja is here.
How are you, sir?
Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you loud and clear.
Very good afternoon to the esteemed Minister Sir and the senior officials. It is wonderful to virtually connect the community health work for Apollo hospitals using technology. Along with me, I have head of the Department for Emergency Medicine, Dr. Navapalani, who is connected from our emergency accepting call from Chennai.
Hello, doctor. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Then I have Dr. Bubagra, who is the Chief of Medical Response Center, based out of Hyderabad. Dr. Bubagra. So, we are glad that this day is happening, Honorable Sir. Back to you, Dinay.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So, gentlemen, if you could just move to the corners of the room. Today.
Sir, I need a little way, sir. Patient has to come in, please. एक wheelchair में.
I did introduce Tinley. Tinley is one of our top emergency nurses. She's coming here as a trainer. She's now stationed at phaikheno. And she's going to take over. She knows this very much better than any of us do. So over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Tinley Soma as a staff nurse, senior staff nurse here. मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ कुछ दिन हुए अपने स्टाफ जो रेस्टोरेंट जो सबको ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए जो कि न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं दैट मीन्स दे आर फाइन, दे आर वेल ट्रेन्ड, वेल एक्सपीरियंस एवरीथिंग. तो टेक्नोलॉजीज जो हम यूज़ करें वो हम उनको सिखा रहे हैं. तो अभी हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं, आप सामने बॉक्सिंग करेंगे. दैट विल बी कोई भी केस हो सकता है, तो उसको प्रोसेस करने के लिए आप लोगों का परमिशन चाहिए. यस, थैंक यू. तो with the process, so the patient, each and everybody, staff members, everybody, or outside. Yes, कोई भी patient किसी भी टाइम हमें कॉल कर सकता है. We will receive a call. जैसे receive call होगा, we will attend the case. क्या स्पेशलिटी क्या नहीं है वो डॉक्टर यहाँ पर बैठ के एग्जामिन करेंगे. तुरंत यहाँ पर जो स्टाफ होंगे he will or she will call to the head department emergency में, where our doctor Dawal, he is the HOD of the emergency department. ठीक है. तो वहाँ से जैसे यहाँ डॉक्टर फिजिकल एग्जामिन करने के बाद क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे सब he will explain to the doctor. क्या ब्लड टेस्ट किया, क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमने किया, सब कुछ बताया. So now the doctor will be examining the patient. साइड में हमारे जो पैरामेडिक्स होंगे वो सारे वाइटल्स चेक करने से लेके सब करेंगे. साइड में जो स्टाफ होंगे
the blood sample for the RDS and the top eye.
Doctor, our senior doctor has arrived.
Okay, sir. Will you please connect the ECG once you're done with the BP machine and everything? Please tell me the vitals, brother.
तो अभी जो पेशेंट आया है छाती में दर्द हो रहा है, ठीक है. तो हमारे डॉक्टर अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं कि ये हार्ट रिलेटेड है या गैस रिलेटेड है. Because the patient is having a छाती में pricking type of pain है, so we are suspecting some MI, मतलब हार्ट ब्लॉक होने का चांसेस है. अभी हम लोग ECG करेंगे, पूरा वाइटल्स चेक करेंगे, ब्लड टेस्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद पता चलेगा क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
Now they are also done. Yes. They can move the camera function anywhere in the room.
Good morning, sir.
One there, sir. And
From
one
Zava.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, yeah. So we have received a 35 years old male who is having a pain in chest, left side, like for past 1 hour he is having a pain. So we just came to the tele emergency for treatment. We have received the case. Our doctor is examining the patient. And I have got the X-ray of the patient, sir. I can share you. And right now, as you can see on the screen, we are getting an ECG done. We are cannulating the patient. So meantime, I'll share you my X-ray, sir.
Can you tell me what is vital signs, or can you zoom into the monitors so that I can see for myself?
Yes, sir. So आप लोग देख सकते हैं मेरे पास एक रिमोट होगा. सेम लाइक उधर से भी डॉक्टर कैमरा को पूरा फुल जूम कर सकते हैं. और अगर डॉक्टर नहीं करेंगे तो मैं भी यहाँ से रिमोट से पूरा जूम कर सकती हूँ. जैसे आपको दिखाऊंगी मैं. ये हमारा स्क्रीन है, ठीक है. अभी यहाँ से okay.
Sir, please float the ECG to the doctor.
Yes. Have you gone through, sir?
Yes, sir.
What was the finding?
Can I speak directly?
Yes.
Sir, 29-year-old male has come with complaints of chest tightness and palpitation and chest pain, sir. Upon his vitals are 152 by 100 blood pressure, and sir, he has tachycardia of 120 beats per minute. The ECG shows the ST7 elevation in all the first 4 leads, V1, V2, V3 and V4. We have done a cardiac troponin I, sir. It has come 0.05. So we are suspecting an anterior wall MI, sir. How do we proceed further, sir? Please guide us.
Okay, so he's had the pain only for the last hour, so he'll be qualified for thrombolysis. Can you get some corrective out and administer? But before that, you need to exclude any contraindications. Has he had pain in the back? Has he been having pain on and off before the last
Just a
4
moment on
hours?
screen, please. Once you
your growth.
check all of that, and I need a blood pressure reading. I can see it on the monitor, yes, so that's fine.
Please take medication from the cash card.
And I can speak to the patient myself directly as well. Most often which we do,
가만히 이제 ini berkawal asal keluar kan tu jomiwe tu hanya tak kawan bagai ni dulu kan hard bondong kan sana tu tu hard ada cuma mana sen on we tahu dia tu important tu saya jangan mahu kata sana tak pun macam biti dena abi ti dena ni nawa tu jomo kawan apa biti tu perlu dengan sana tu biti dena kau porsi dengan sana happens is the myocardium in the heart has a period of 60 more than 60 minutes. If you go beyond 60 minutes, the heart cannot come back to its normal function. So whatever needs to be done should be done in 1 hour. And as you can see here, the connectivity, the traveling, everything, it takes some time arranging everything. But how within this 1 hour we can save the life of the patient and we can prevent further cardiac damage. This is an attempt to help in the preliminary treatment so that if further management is required, we can refer the patient and do the initial life-saving procedure here.
there is consider transferring it to higher center or further admission later on. But the acute thing.
Thankful, and we hopefully we will not interact with you, but you will be there so that more and more people are treated properly.
Thank you, team. Could everybody? Dr. Mubashir is here with us. So this is essentially how teleconsultation works. We have a patient and we have a paramedic. There's always a paramedic in charge. The doctor is on call. If they need a specialist, they tell us and we'll arrange them as well. Why don't we please sit? Somebody please sit. Vinod, sit up please. Sir, please. So essentially the doctor has a birth eye view of the patient. You can zoom in, punch it anywhere.
This is only for consultation.
This is only for consultations. And if they need something, if they need to know the sugar, the pressure, or any one of those basic vitals, we have point of care devices here. Take care of it, punch it right through the doctors. There's no waiting time going and getting a test and coming. It's all done right here by the paramedic in charge. So they should walk out with a printed prescription as well, right to the drugstore.
And the pharmacy is coming up.